Nabil,
Okay.
daripada 4 jadi 5, 6, sekarang dah 7. Kita ke 7 dah. But Shazwan was in 6 car. Yours
Yes,
in
it's 7. Okay.
So,
Good
how
luck,
is
you
it the car?
Amazing experience.
Amazing.
Yeah, from the start to finish. Tapi I rasa you did a great job.
Thank you.
There's some things that I minta for the car to make sure that it's nice from me. You were nice enough to oblige. I thank you for that.
Within my capacity, insyaAllah.
Yes,
I'll
yes.
make it happen for you.
At the start, you already told me, within my capacity, I do my best. So I appreciate that, and I rasa I wouldn't buy with anyone else.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations
Thank
and
you.
welcome to BMW family.
Alright.
MG40.